On this accord, P2821 is a line pressure control fault for line pressure solenoid valve stuck on. In plain language, the PCM may be commanding the solenoid and watching the pressure switch feedback, and the response may not match what it expects. When this code is stored, the fail-safe function restricts engine torque, so the driver may notice reduced power along with transmission symptoms. Broadly, this path keeps us focused on ATF condition and leaks, signs of internal clutch or metal debris, and then the solenoid and valve body side of the line pressure circuit. Before you clear anything, save the captured operating data and any onboard snapshot with the HDS. Start with the basic system checks so you are not chasing a transmission fault with missing background information. First, warm the engine to normal operating temperature, meaning the radiator fan comes on. Confirm the transmission is filled to the proper level and check for fluid leaks. Then drain the ATF through a strainer and inspect what comes out. If the strainer has metal debris or excessive clutch material, the directed repair is to replace the transmission. If the strainer does not have metal debris or excessive clutch material, replace the ATF and move on to the problem verification. For the verification setup, raise the vehicle on a lift or apply the parking brake, block the rear wheels, and raise the front of the vehicle. Make sure it is securely supported and that the front wheels can rotate freely. Put the vehicle in on mode with the engine start/stop button, clear the DTC with the HDS, and start the engine. With the brake pedal pressed, shift to D, then release the brake pedal. Now monitor APP sensor % with the HDS. Press the accelerator to 2% opened and release it to 0% opened every 2 seconds. While doing that, watch the line pressure solve VLV, a signal, and the line pressure switch signal on the HDS. The expected match is simple. The line pressure switch should be on when line pressure solve VLV. A is on, and OFF when line pressure solve VLV. A is off. If it matches that way, treat it as an intermittent failure and the system is okay at this time. If it does not match, the failure is duplicated. The directed diagnosis calls the fault line pressure solenoid valve A, and the directed repair is to replace the secondary valve body, which includes line pressure solenoid valve A. The takeaway: do not jump straight to the valve body. This diagnostic path first separates an ATF or internal debris problem from a commanded solenoid and pressure switch response problem, then makes the repair decision from the duplicated test result. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.